Hello everyone. In this video, we shall learn how to solve linear equations in a very easy and simple way. If you understand the concept, then click on like, share, subscribe and bell icon. Let us start with solving one-step equations. Let's start with this question. 1x plus 5 equals 20. This equation we shall solve for the value of x. Okay. As we want to find out the value of x, which is on the left hand side of this equation. Equation means equality, means left hand side is equal to right hand side. It should always be same. So if we want to get the value of x, we want to eliminate this 5 from here. If we want to eliminate it, we do subtract plus 5 minus 5 equals 20. So, but when we subtract 5 from the left hand side, the equation will become imbalanced. So what we do the same thing on the right hand side. So it becomes x equals 20 minus 5, it is 50. Rather than subtracting 5 from both sides, we can also say that we are taking 5 from left side to the right side. So then it becomes 20 minus 5. Like it was positive here on the left side. When it moved to the right side, it becomes minus. So opposite of plus is minus, opposite of multiplication is division. So again, this becomes easier for us. 20 minus 5 will be 15. So it's up to you, whatever method you use. It's up to you. Another question 2. X minus 5 equals 20. Now, if we use for both methods, x minus 5 equals 20, method number 1. So what we do, we add 5 on both sides. So it becomes x equals 20 plus 5 means 25. And if we use the second method, x negative 5 equals 20. So we take 5 to the other side, then 20 plus 5, because 5 negative 5 will become positive 5. So x equals 25. In both cases, you get the same answer. So I think I prefer second method because it's having less number of steps. So now we do question 3. Yes, 5 times x equals 20. Now here, 5 is multiplying x. We don't want 5 coefficient with x. We need to have a value of x only. We don't want the value of 5x. That's why what we do, we shall divide both sides by 5. Then this 5 will cancel. 5 times 1 is 5. 1x means x equals 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So answer is 4. X is equal to 4. But if we solve this other way, second method, like 5x equals 20. 5 is being multiplied here. The reciprocal of or the opposite operation of multiplication is division. So when we take 5 to the other side, it becomes 20 upon 5. So again, the answer will be 4. So either way, you can get the same answer. X upon 5. X upon 5 equals 20. Now 5 is dividing on the left side. When it moves to the other side, it will multiply. So we are following the second method. X equals 20 times 5. That will be 100. So easy way. Hope you understand it. Next question. 3 equals 36 upon x. Let's try this question. Now what to do? Now you can see that we should use the same method. x is dividing on the right hand side, it moved to the left hand side, then what will happen? It will multiply with 3. Okay, this becomes equal to 36. Now we got 3x is equal to 36, but we want to find the value of x, not the value of 3x. Then what will we do? We shall take this 3 to the other side, or you can say you can divide both sides by 3. So let's suppose we do this way. 3 times 1 is 3, so it becomes x equal 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So it becomes 12. So x is equal to 12 is the answer for question 5. 6 states 20 minus x is equal to 5. Now this is a bit difference in it, the different question than the previous questions. This is 20 minus x. Now first we need to make this x as positive. So we take this x to the other side and it becomes 20 is equal to 5 plus x. Because x was negative, it went to the other side, it became positive. And then we take 5 to the other side. Now it becomes 20 minus 5 is equal to x. Means 15 is equal to x. Then we take x this side and 15 to the other side. Like when we invert the equation, no sign changed. So here we can write here, or x is equal to 15. This one is our answer of question 6. So now 3.7 is subtracted from x. It goes to the other side. It becomes x equal to 9.8 plus 3.7. Now you add. How you will add these decimals? You will put 9.8 under decimal. You put on decimal. 7 and this is 3. Both of them you add. 7 plus 8 is 14, 15. 1 carry 10, 13. So here 13.5. So x answer is 13.5. That's it. Hope you understand this one-step equation very easily. Now we go for the two-step equations or multi-step equations. We shall solve these equations for the value of x. It could be any other variable. It's not compulsory. Variable means any other letter. It could be A, B, C, D, X, S, T, Y, Z, anything. Now we have a question. Let's start with this question. 3x plus 5 equals 7. Now, first of all, we shall take this constant to the other side and 3x remain on the left side. So 5 will go the other side. It becomes 3x equals 7 minus 5. Because it was positive here on left side, when went to 5 to the other side, it becomes negative 5. So 3x is equal to 2. And now, as you know, 3 is multiplying this x, 6 2 goes to the other side, it will divide. Or we can divide both sides by 3, we get the same answer. Okay, so we are left with x is equal to 2 upon 3. This is your answer, the value of x for the given particular equation. 3x minus 5 is equal to 7. So as you know that here this is the same question, just only sign is different. So 5 sign is different, it will go, 5 will go to the other side, it will again be 7 plus 5, that is 5 plus 7 is 12. Now 3x equals 12, we divide both sides by 3. So we got here x is equal to 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12. So x is equal to 4 if the value of 5, the symbol of 5 is negative. 15x minus 11 is equal to negative 41. If both signs are negative, we do not do anything on the side of the already on the right hand side. We take 11 to the other side, so its sign will be changed. So it will be 15x equals negative 41 plus 11. So it becomes, 1 minus 1 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3. Negative 30 because 41 is bigger number. When you subtract for 11 from 41, you get 30. 15x. Now, 15 divide both sides. 15 cancel here, left is 11. X is left on it. X is equal to 15 times 1, 15, 15 times 2 is 30. So negative 2 is the answer for this question. Okay. Another question we tried. 9 is equal to 3 minus x. Now again, the value of x will change when we take x to this side because we want to make x always positive. So it will become 9 plus x is equal to 3. We need value of x only. So we take 9 to the other side. X is equal to 3 minus 9. So x is equal to negative 6. That's it. Times x plus 3 equals 20. Now here we can solve two ways. First of all, we can do two methods. First method is that we can open the bracket, okay, and then multiply 4 with x and 3. 4 times x is 4x plus 4 times 3 is 12 equals 20. We cannot multiply 20 with 4 because there is nothing here. We just opened the bracket. Now 4x equals 12 to go to the other side. It becomes 20 minus 12. Now 20 minus 12 becomes 8. So 4x equals 8. X is equal to 8 by 4 because 4 was multiplying here on left side. It went to the other side. It divided. So x is equal to 2 here. Okay. Now we do another method here. It depends upon you that which method you like. You can adopt very easily that one. Okay. So we can do this way. Question is 4x plus 3 is equal to 20. So now 4 is multiplying with the whole expression. So what we can do, we can divide both sides by 4. 4 will cancel on the left side and then x plus 3 is equal to 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20. So it becomes 5. Now you have x plus 3 equals 5. Now you can take 3 to the other side. Then it becomes 5 minus 3. So you got 2. Eventually we get x is equal to 2 with the help of both methods. Depends upon you which method clicks to you. You can choose that one. So this is assignment for you all. You can do the question 2 whole 6 minus 3x is equal to 6. It's up to you which method you adopt, but you will be doing this question on your own. Hope you have understood well and you can apply your knowledge to solve this question. Good luck for this assignment. Solve equations with x variable on both sides. What we do whenever you have x or the variable, same variable on both sides. Now question 1. 7x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 5. Always remember that we take always the variables on left sides and the constants on the right side. So 7x will remain as it is, but 3x will move to the left side. So it will, as it is positive here, it becomes 3x negative. And 3 will be there, negative 3 is already there, 5 is already there. We do not move that. So we solve first of all 7x minus 3x, it becomes 4x because plus 7 minus 3 will subtract and answer will be 4x. Minus 3 is equal to 5. Now 3 takes to the other side. So 4x equal 5 plus 3, which gives 4x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 by 4 means 2 because 4 times 2 is 8. Okay. So this is the way how we solve the equations with x on both sides. 8x minus 3 is equal to 4x plus 1. Again, we do the same. 4x will go to this side, so it becomes 8x minus 4x minus, and we take 3 to the other side is equal to plus 1. 3 is minus, it becomes plus 3. So now 8 minus 4 is 4x and 3 plus 1 is 4. Dividing for both sides by 4 or taking 4 to the other side, it becomes 4 upon 4. This is answer is 1. So x is equal to 1. Hope this question is understood by all of you. 2 whole 3x plus 1 minus 2x minus 5 equals 15. Now, how we solve it? First of all, we solve the brackets. Means we open the bracket. This becomes 2 times 3 is 6x. Now, 2 times 1 is plus 2. Now, we open the bracket. As you know, already we have done this one in our previous video. We understood and learned that whenever you have the negative sign outside the bracket, you always change the signs inside the bracket, the signs of all terms. So 2x was having nothing here. On the left, it means it was having positive. So this plus will convert into negative 2x, and this minus will convert into positive. 15 will have no change. Now we solve the like terms because this is addition or subtraction. In addition subtraction, we always solve like terms with like terms. So 6x will be added to negative 2x. Nothing means plus 6 minus 2 will be, because the signs are different, so it will be subtracted. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. Sign will be positive because 6 is greater number, so its sign will be along with the answer. So it will be 4x. Now 2 plus 5 is plus 7 is equal to 15. Now our equation has developed through which we can get the value of x. Now take x to the other side and 4x equals 15 minus 7 because 7 was plus on the left side. So 4x equals 15 minus 7 will be 8. X is equal to 8 divided by 4. It becomes 2 because 4 times 2 is 8. So now here we have the value x is equal to 2 for this complex and big equation. 2 times 5x minus 7 equals 6 times 2x minus 3. Now how to solve them? That is easy if we open the bracket on both sides, or we can take this whole bracket to the left side and make it minus. But I think better we choose easy way. So 2 times 5 is 10x, then 2 times 7 is negative 14 equals 6 times 2 is 12x, and then 6 times 3 is 18. 10x minus 12x. Okay. Now 14 is on the left side, it will go to the right side. It becomes negative 18 plus 14. Now here plus 10 minus 12 is negative 2x. And negative 18 plus 14 will be negative 4. So now if we take this negative 2 on the both sides, on the other side, this becomes x is equal to negative 4 upon negative 2. It becomes 2 only. So here x is equal to 2 is the answer. Now, good luck for this question challenge. Just let me know if you feel any problem, and then I will revert to you. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.